One bright morning, Humpty the train woke up with a happy whistle. Choo-choo, today I'm taking children on a wonderful alphabet journey. Humpty had 26 colorful compartments, and each compartment carried one special letter with a fun friend inside. Compartment A is for apples, said Humpty. A shiny red apple smiled and said, crunch, crunch, I'm tasty and healthy. Compartment B is for ball, bounce, bounce. The ball jumped happily and said, let's play together. C is for cat, meow, said the cat, waving its fluffy tail. D is for dog, woof, woof, barked the dog, wagging its tail with joy. E is for elephant. The big elephant smiled and sprayed water, splash. Hello, friends. Compartment F is for fish. The fish swam around saying, swish, swish, I love the water. G is for goat, meme, said the goat, munching green grass. H is for hat. A colorful hat waved and said, I keep your head safe. Compartment I is for ice cream. Yummy, said the ice cream, I'm cold, sweet and delicious. J is for jug. The jug said proudly, I hold water for everyone. K is for kite. The kite flew high and said, look at me in the sky. L is for lion. Roar, said the lion softly, I am brave and strong. M is for monkey. The monkey laughed, ha, ha, I love to jump. Compartment N is for nest. The nest whispered, I keep baby birds safe. O is for orange. Juicy and round, said the orange, I'm full of vitamin C. P is for parrot. Hello, hello, said the parrot brightly. Q is for queen. The queen smiled and said, I am kind and fair. R is for rabbit. Hop, hop, said the rabbit, I love carrots. S is for sun. The sun shone brightly and said, I give light and warmth. T is for train. Humpty smiled, that's me, choo-choo. U is for umbrella. I keep you dry in the rain, said the umbrella. V is for van. The van said, I take people places. W is for watch. Tick-tock, said the watch, I tell the time. X is for xylophone. Ting-ting went the xylophone, let's make music. Y is for yak. The yak said softly, I live on the mountains. G is for zebra. The zebra laughed, look at my black and white stripes. At the last stop, Humpty the train smiled and said, great job, kids, you learned A to Z with me today. The children clapped and cheered, thank you, Humpty train. Alphabet learning is fun. Choo-choo, see you on the next learning adventure.